Okay, my wife finally taught me into doing a damn video. Trying to give an example of a Philly steak, and don't think it's from Philadelphia, because it's not, because they use different ingredients and different types of cuts of meats. And they do use cheese whiz. If most of you didn't know that, they use a different kind of cheese, but I'm using provolone. This is deli roast beef. You can get it, it's a little bit more expensive, but you can get it already portioned out in the lunch meat section, but I advise you not to season it too well, because a lot of that processed meat is high in sodium. Deli meat is not as high, so I'm going to use some Worcestershire sauce, which will cook off. Now keep in mind, processed meat does not, the salt does not cook off of it. So you guys with high blood pressure, just be careful. But this is Boarhead's roast beef. So what I'm gonna do is brown the ground beef. I did slices before I started, and also I did preheat the oven to 450 degrees. I'm gonna add some Worcestershire sauce. Not a whole lot, don't need a whole lot. Make sure you break it up, so probably should have done it before I put it in here, so it's not too layered, so a lot of it gets brown. Let that sit a little bit. Add a little pepper in there. I mean, if you want to add garlic powder, or I wouldn't put garlic salt because you already got enough sodium in this meat. You can put some garlic powder if you want. Yeah, I'm going to let some of that brown a little bit more. I'm going to let it sit there. Now this is browning pretty well. You can stop here, but I like mine brown a little bit darker than what it is now. I'm gonna go ahead and start these onions. I just put a little bit of pepper in them. I did coat my cast iron pans with olive oil because this meat has very little fat. So if you're cooking hamburgers, a lot of times you don't need to do that because it has its own fat, its own grease from the fat. So, and I would have more onions than this, but there's only a couple people in the house that eat onion. And this will be applied after I take them out the oven. Why are you in my kitchen? Your fat ass need to leave. out by JoJo. Okay, I already sliced the bread. It was semi-sliced, but I sliced it in halves. So I'm applying the meat. I'll straighten that out after a while, after I finish. But you don't want to touch this cast iron pan because it's hot. I'll straighten it out. Okay. And, okay, hands are washed. So I'm gonna straighten this out on the bread. And don't ask what I did to my finger, because my wife is a stone cold freak.
What?
If you could see her face right now. All right. Only 2 of them like onions, so I'm gonna lay these onions on here.
Make mine with a lot of onions.
Shit, you should have cut them. You want that many onions? All right, let me see. Well, Joshua, you're gonna get hosed. Make sure I get these onions on here right. Okay, ready to apply the cheese. And you can be pretty aggressive with the cheese. So I'm gonna put 2 layers, which actually is 2 slices. Put the bread on top. And you can get off-brand, but that's all they had. You got 1 here. Oh, the damn onions falling off. That's a big piece. That's gonna drip off the side, but hell, it makes it even better. All right. I'm gonna even that out so it doesn't cook off. All right. Okay. So I'm gonna start with 10 minutes in the oven. JoJo, move. Okay, they're out the oven. That was 10 to 15 minutes once you preheat the oven to 450. So they're good to go. That's it. And I'm challenging Mary, my cousin, to cook off. She gonna tear my ass up, I'm gonna tell you that, because she can cook. And there we go. I'm done. What?
JoJo.
I'm about to get me a beer.